हेलो व्यूअर्स, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर राजेंद्र सिंह राजावत है एंड आई एम असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जूलॉजी, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज कोटा, अंडर कॉलेज एजुकेशन, राजस्थान। इस वीडियो में हम प्रीवियस फिश आइडेंटिफिकेशन का जो वीडियो था उसकी कंटिन्यूएशन में बात करेंगे और फिश आइडेंटिफिकेशन से रिलेटेड कुछ और बातों के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम फिश की स्टैंडर्ड लेंथ के बारे में बात करेंगे। फिश की जो स्टैंडर्ड लेंथ होती है दैट इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन मेजरमेंट टेकन फ्रॉम टिप ऑफ स्नाउट, दिस इज द टिप ऑफ स्नाउट, टू द लास्ट वर्टिब्रा which supports the tail fin. This is the position where the last vertebra which supports the tail fin of the fish. So the measurement from tip of snout to the last vertebra which supports the tail fin is known as the standard length. And this is a criteria which is useful in the many measurements. They are used to describe a fish. They are mostly represented as percentage of either standard length or total length and the morphometric characteristics of fish. Then the second part of this body is that is the length which we diagnose, जिसको हम पता करते हैं, that is total length. And the total length is the straight line measurement taken from tip of snout to the end of caudal fin. This is again from the tip of snout to the end of caudal fin. This is the end of caudal fin, जो कि जो tail fin का जो लो पिच सबसे लास्ट तक होता है वहां तक हम इसका मेजरमेंट करते हैं. And this is the total length we can say, which is the maximum length of the fish body. Then the next is fork length. Fork length of a fish is measured from the tip of the snout to the posterior end of middle caudal ray. Yeah, middle of tail, we can say the, yes, this is the point, middle of the tail, जिसे हम fork रीजन भी कहते हैं और इसीलिए इसको fork length कहा गया है. So this length is between the standard length and total length of fish. Yes, you can say this is the total length and this is the standard length. So the fork length is lies in between the total length and standard length. Then the next is, this is the pre-orbital length which we are discussing here. Pre-orbital length. What is this? The straight line measurement taken from front of snout, yes, the tip of snout, to anterior of eye, यानी कि जहाँ पर आँख का anterior part होता है वहाँ से और इस टिप के बीच की दूरी, that is pre-orbital length, आई ऑर्बिट से आगे की. Then the next is pre-pectoral length, and the pre-pectoral length is measurement taken from the front of snout, that is the tip of snout, to the origin of pectoral fin as its name, that is pre-pectoral length, यानी कि pectoral fin की शुरुआत जहाँ होती है उससे लेकर के टिप ऑफ स्नॉट तक का लेंथ, that is pre-pectoral length. Then the straight line measurement which we will talk about, that is head length. यानी कि ये जो head length है ये होता है, and that is the measurement taken from the tip of snout to the back of operculum, जहाँ पर operculum खत्म होता है, जो कि एक bony gill cover होता है, और गिल्स को करते हैं उसका जो लास्ट पार्ट होता है उससे लेकर टिप ऑफ स्नॉट तक जो स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी, that is head length. It is considered as head length. Then the next is pre-pelvic length. What is the pre-pelvic length? It is the straight line measurement taken from the front of snout to the insertion point of pelvic fin. जहाँ से pelvic fin का insertion होता है, यानी कि यहाँ से इसकी शुरुआत होती है, उससे लेकर टिप ऑफ स्नॉट तक का जो स्ट्रेट लाइन है, that is pre-pelvic length. It is easy to understand by its name, that is it is started from the snout to the insertion of pelvic fin. Then these are the some lengths about which we have discussed in this video, and let us summarize this video that we have discussed about the total length which we can see from the tip of snout to the end of the tail. Then the second one is fork length, that is from the tip of snout to the fork area, that is the middle part of the tail. Then the next is the standard length, which is from the tip of snout to the last vertebra which supports the tail fin. This is the reason, just at the base of the tail fin. Then the pre-anal length, we can see this is from where the anal fin starts, that is pre-anal length from the tip of the snout to the insertion or origin of anal fin. Then the next is pre-pelvic length, which is from the tip of snout to the insertion of pelvic fin. Then the head length, that is from the tip of snout to the end of the operculum. Then pre-pectoral length from the tip of snout to the insertion of the pectoral fin. And the pre-orbital length, which is from the tip of snout to the pre-orbital that is in front of eye. So then the next is pre-dorsal length, that is from the tip of snout to the insertion of dorsal fin. So this is the overall structure of a fish, and this is the diameter of eye, which is also measured. Then this is the snout from here to here, and this is the body depth. You can see from the dorsal fin to the pelvic fin. So this is the overall terms which we have discussed about the identification of fish. यानी कि एक फिश के आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए हमें इन सब लेंथ्स के बारे में जानकारी होनी चाहिए, जिनका कि एक प्रोपोर्शनेट फार्मूला होता है, जो कि हम इन कंपेयर करते हैं टोटल लेंथ से. जितनी भी ये लेंथ्स हैं, इसको टोटल लेंथ से परसेंटेज के रूप में देखा जाता है कि उसके कंपेरेटिवली ये लेंथ्स कितनी आ रही हैं, और उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि वो फिश आइडेंटिफिकेशन में हेल्प करती हैं. और ये जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑफ वेरियस बॉडी पार्ट्स इज कॉल्ड मॉर्फोमेट्रिक कैरेक्टर्स. दैट इज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ uh, different types of lengths, which helps in fish identification, and the description of counts of various parts of body, also called meristic characters, where we have to count the different parts of the body. So hope this video will be helpful for you to identify a fish on the basis of different types of lengths and compared to the total length or standard length as a percentage. So that will be helpful in the identification of fish. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching the video.